Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to add confetti animation to an image in PhotoDirector 365. Here is an example of one of many confetti animations you'll find in PhotoDirector. So let's get down to it. In the new version of PhotoDirector 365, you'll see these two options when you open the app. Click on the Edit option, and it'll open the PhotoDirector app in guided mode. So first we need to import our image. You can drag and drop the image in this section, or click this Add Photo button, which is what I'm going to do. Next, navigate to your folder, choose your image, and click Open. So here is the image that I'm going to use. I'm in the guided section of PhotoDirector. Drop down Decorations, and then choose Overlays. You'll see this default section open. Let me just close it by clicking here. And you'll see many different sections of our overlays here. So let me scroll down, and I'll click on the confetti overlays. You'll see the preview of the animations. So let me just click first on this first one here. As you can see, this is what the animation looks like. And I'll click on a few others so you can get an idea of many of these confetti animations, as you can see. Let me close this section. And from these sections, I'll click on Confetti Overlays Volume 2. I'll click on it, and again, it'll display previews of the animations. These are slightly different ones, and so let me show you a few more examples of the confetti animations from this section. I'll use the second outer scroll bar to scroll down to the bottom, and in this settings section, you can control the opacity of the confetti animation using the slider. You can also use these rotate and flip options, as well as control the speed of the animation with the slider down below. If you check this box for Enable Template Resize, you can adjust the animation template like so, using the handles around the edges of the template box. Let me just uncheck this box. And once you're happy with the animation, you can click on this export button at the top. You can choose a photo file or a video or GIF file. I'll choose the video option. You'll see this dialog box pop up. Choose a folder. Give it a file name. Choose a file format. I'll go with the default MP4 format. Here you can adjust the video resolution. You have several options. I'll stick with the 1280 by 720p. You can use the slider to control the duration of the animation. I'll leave it as the default 18 seconds, and then click Produce. It will then render the MP4 video with the confetti animation. And then once it's done, you'll get a confirmation. But that's pretty much it. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.